today's world, classrooms have had to adapt to a number of circumstances, moving online and adjusting to different hybrid learning approaches. At LEGO Education, we recognize that hands-on learning isn't only for the classroom, which is why our solutions are adaptable to a remote learning approach. Whether students are independently building and coding or collaborating virtually, they can still be engaged to practice STEAM skills.
I do sometimes bring in demo elements for the class to help inspire them and to help their collaboration time as well.
Students are able to absorb real-world experiences and apply their understanding by working with ideas, reflecting on their experiences, and using their knowledge, ultimately leading to confidence in learning.
When learning moves online, collaboration and hands-on experiences don't have to stop. Visit our website, legoeducation.com, for resources to support you in adapting your STEAM learning experiences to ensure that learning happens anywhere.